Hello students, now I will explain in 10th class maths chapter 1 real numbers some example problems. See, the question is given like this. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. So that is the question is given. Solution. So let us assume let a be a positive integer. And b value is how much? 2. See here, whatever the constant value means before variable quotient which number is there, that number you should take as b value. B means nothing but what? Divisor. So here what is the form is given? 2q. So what is the constant in that? 2. In 2q plus 1, what is the quotient of q? 2. Quotient of q is how much? 2. Q is nothing but variable also we can say. So we can say it is a divisor also. We know that by Euclid division lemma, what is the formula? A is equals to bq plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So A is equals to, what is the value of b? 2. Write 2 here, write q plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than 2. Next, A is equals to 2q plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. Less than 2 means what are the numbers we are having? 0 comma 1. So that's why I wrote here less than or equal to 1 means r value how much? 0 comma 1. So if r is equals to 0, then a is equals to what we can write here? 2q plus 0. 2q plus 0 is nothing but 2q. So it is multiples of 2 means it is an even integer. 2q is an even integer. Next condition is 1. If r is equals to 1, then a is equals to 2q plus, in place of r what we should write? 1. So it is even plus odd. Even plus odd combination is odd. So 2q plus 1 is an odd positive integer. So that is the statement he is asking. It is very important 2 marks question in your board exam. Next question, same model. Show that every positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. So let us assume a be a positive odd integer, and what is the value of b is given here? 4. Quotient of variable is how much? 4. Here also same. So they will give quotient of variable same numbers only. If here is given 4 means he will not give here 5. Whatever number he will give here, that number only he will give here. So b is equals to 4. By Euclid division lemma we have a is equals to bq plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So a is equals to b value is how much? 4. So that's why I wrote here 4q plus r 0 less than or equal to r less than 4. R less than 4 means what we can write? A is equals to 4q plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 3. See here less than condition is there, but here you should write less than or equal to. That is the difference between these two steps in above problem also. So here less than or equal to 3 means what will take? R equal to 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. So if r is equals to 0, then we get a is equals to 4q plus, in place of r how much? 0. 4q plus 0 is nothing but 4q. So it is a 4 means even number. If you multiply with even number, any number, you will get even number only. So it is a even positive integer. If r is equals to 1, then we get a is equals to 4q plus 1. It is an odd positive integer. Why? Because even plus odd is odd. If r is equals to 2, then we get a is equals to 4q plus 2, which is an even positive integer. Why? Because it is a even plus 2 also even. Even plus even is even. If r is equals to 3, then we get a is equals to 4q plus 3, which is an odd positive integer. Therefore 4 cube plus 1 or 4 cube plus 3 are in the form of odd positive integers. Why? Because in our question he is asking only odd positive integer. So where we are getting 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 3. It is also important 2 marks question. Next see some formulas in here in note. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third condition, a plus b whole cube means a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Otherwise a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next, a minus b whole cube is nothing but a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, or a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So this symbol indicates if there exist, important for objective. So this symbol indicates such that, or this colon also indicates such that only. So a by b means a divides b. This symbol indicates belongs to. This symbol indicates for all. So we are having some condition. A divide b means then a is a factor of b, otherwise b is a factor of a, b is divisible by a, b is multiple of a. So this is not important. Up to 9th one you should remember carefully. Sometimes it is important. So it is not very important. So up to 9th it is important. Next we will see another problem. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is the some integer. We will see the solution. Let a be positive odd integer odd, and b is equals to how much here? 6. Why? Because your constant value quotient variable of quotient is how much? 6. Here also 6, here also 6. So by Euclid division lemma, a is equals to b cube plus r, comma, what is the formula? 0 less than or equal to r less than b. A is equals to b value how much? 6 q plus r, comma, 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. So a is equals to 6 q plus r, comma, 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 5. Less than 5 which numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if r is equals to 0, then a is equals to how much? 6 cube plus 0. 6 cube plus 0 how much? 6 cube. If r is equals to 1, then a is equals to 6 cube plus 1. R is equals to 2 means then a is equals to 6 cube plus 2. If r is equals to 3 means then a is equals to 6 cube plus 3. That only I wrote here. If r is equals to 4, then a is equals to 6 cube plus 4. If r is equals to 5, then a is equals to 6 cube plus 5. So however a is odd positive integer, we do not consider the cases. So we will not consider even cases. 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4. So hence what is the conclusion? Hence any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Why? Because we are getting here remainder as odd numbers. Here what is the remainder? 1, here 3, here 5. So these are the odd positive integers. Next problem. It is very important 4 marks question. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p comma 3p plus 1. So it is very important problem. So let a be the positive integer and b is equals to how much? Variable quotient. Here what is the variable? P. Here also p. So quotient of variable is how much? 3. Here also 3. So b value is how much? 3. Means the divisor value is 3. By using Euclid division lemma, what is the formula? A is equals to b cube plus r, comma, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So a is equals to b value is how much? 3 q plus r, comma, 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. So a is equals to 3 q plus r, comma, 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 2. consider this as equation 1. So r equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2. Case 1, r is equal to 0. Put r is equal to 0 in equation 1, we will get a is equal to 3q plus 0. 3q plus 0 is 3q. See here in question statement is given square of any positive integer. Means you should do squaring on both sides. Means a square is equal to 3q whole square. So a square is equal to 3 square q square. So a square equal to 3 square, how much? 3 3 is 9 q square. So a square is equal to, we can write this 9q square as 3 into 3q square. 3 into 3q square. So a square equal to 3 into, in place of 3q square, write p. So here in our question p is given, that's why I write here p. Here before 3 is there, that's why here I have taken common as 3. Why? Because 3 3 the 9 is possible, same stability will come. So 3 into 3q square means in place of 3q square write p. Here variable p is given means write p, k is given means k, n is given means n. So any alphabet is given means whatever the alphabet is given in the question, write that alphabet. So in our question p is given, so write p. So we got the first condition. Next case 2, r is equal to 1. Put r is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get a is equal to 3q plus 1. So now squaring on both sides. Means what will get? A square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. So here RHS part is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is 3q, b value is 1. So here a square means 3q square plus 2 into a value is 3q, b value is 1 plus b square means b value is 1 square. So 3q square means how much? 3 square is 9, q square I wrote as it is here. 2 3 is how much? 6q plus 1 square means 1. So in first two terms we can take 3 as common. We can take q also common, but don't take. Why? Because I will tell you next step. So take 3 common. If you take 3 common, in 3 table 9 how many times? 3 times. Q square I wrote as it is. And in 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. I wrote q as it is. Close the brackets and write plus 1 as it is. So write 3 as it is. In place of 3q square plus 2q, write p. Why? Because in our question is given 3p or 3p plus 1. So here where p value is how much? 3q square plus 2q. Don't compare this p value with above p value. So he is asking in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 is asking to write. So write like that only. In question k is given means write k. Any alphabet is given means write that alphabet only. So don't stop the process. Here we got r up to how much? 2. 0, 1, 2. So case 3 also you should do. Simply don't stop the problem. We got 3p and 3p plus 1. We will stop the process. So don't stop like that. So here case 3 is how much? R equal to 2. Put r is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get a is equal to 3q plus 2. Squaring on both sides. So a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again it is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is how much? 3q, b value is how much? 2. So here 3q square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. 3 square how much? 9. Q square I wrote as it is here. 2 3 are 6. 6 2 are 12. So overall 12q. 2 square how much? 4. In next step I wrote first step as it is, second term as it is. Write this 4 as 3 plus 1. Why? Because our remainder is 0 or 1 only. 3p plus 0 means 3p. That's why I wrote remainder 0. Or 3p plus 1 it is there. So 4 is there here constant. So this 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. In first 3 terms take 3 common. In 3 table 9 goes 3 times. Q square I wrote as it is. 12 goes 4 times. Q as it is. 3 goes 1 time plus 1. So write this 3 as it is. In place of this 3q square plus 4q plus 1, write p plus 1, where p is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. So next remaining problems in next session I will tell.